How to read voice messages on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how we can do it. So first thing first, you have to locate your WhatsApp. Once you do so, here are some settings that you should follow. Tap on the three dot icon, tap on Settings. At this section, go for Chats and scroll below until you see Voice Message Transcripts. Make sure that you have toggled it on. Now come back. And let's go ahead and locate any of the chat that has a voice message and that you would like to transcribe. In my case, I have this specific message. In order to transcribe them, long tap onto it, tap on three dot icon, tap on Transcribe. Wait for this to load. And just like so, this is how you can do the same as well. If you would like to transcribe it in another language, long hold onto it, tap on three dot icon, tap on Change Language, and do so. So guys, this is all for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and if it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.